Hello everyone, my name is Lewis Smith and today I'm going to give you a quick overview of Flex. Flex is our hosted deception as a service product, and it allows you to protect your work from home employees in this new normal world that we live in. Okay, so what we're looking at here is the Flex dashboard. This is a high-level display of the security posture of your organization, covering patch status of your endpoints, endpoint protection coverage, and detection coverage. This is what I like to call risk at a glance, so you know where your gaps exist within your deployment so you can tighten your overall security posture. Additionally, if you take a look over here at events, these are stack ranked, giving you quick, immediate, and actionable alerts. These click right over to the actual events that are recorded, which I will cover in more detail. Lastly, on this page, you can see that we not only stack rank the events, but we also give you quick high-level overview of the type of events that exist, from VPN access to ransomware type of self-spreaders, credential access, DLP type of events, and browser, bookmark, and history events. At a glance, you will know exactly what's going on in your remote workforce. If we then click over to security posture, you have a detailed view of how tokens are deployed within your organization. Upon installation of these tokens, the device reports back to Flex and creates a profile showing you items like host name, operating system, last Windows update, and a summary of the detection coverage. This really helps you fine-tune and strengthen the overall security posture of your deployment. Now let's move on to a demo so you can see a real attack and how Flex responds. If I come over here to analysis, now this is a production system, so I don't want to delete items here to clean it up for a demo since I'm using a live system. So let's just pay attention to the timestamp. The last timestamp here was 1348 or 148. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is let's take on the role of an attacker. Okay, what does an attacker do? Okay, so here is a terminal. I am SSH'd into a Kali Linux box, and I am going to load MSF console, which is Metasploit. I'm going to log into Metasploit, and what we're going to do is we're going to steal VPN credentials, and I'm going to show you how that's done. And what I'm going to show you are all the things that happen in the background that is unbeknownst to your average user. So what you could see over here is I've started a reverse TCP listener. Okay, now payloads can get distributed in any number of ways. They could get distributed through email, through malicious websites. Okay, in this particular case, I'm going to launch this bb1.exe file right over here. Again, covering distribution method is a completely different topic. Let's just say it's been delivered. Okay, so if I hop back over here, you could see that my session has been established. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is, again, I'm the role of the hacker. Anytime you see the screen, I am the hacker. I'm going to load Kiwi. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to elevate some privileges here. I got a 200, okay. And then what I'm going to do, actually, before I do that, I should show you get UID. You could see here, I am on this client. So with just a couple of commands from my Kali Linux box, I am on Flex Client 01 Lewis. And if I come over here and type in CMD, I type in set, you could see Flex Client 01 Lewis. So I am now officially controlling that Windows machine. That Windows machine has tokens on it. It's a token-based product, Flex that is. And now I'm on that machine. So now let's do this. Let's run this command. And if I scroll up over here, you could see with just a couple of keystrokes, I'm looking right here. You can see that as an attacker, I just hit the jackpot. I see a username, I see a password, and I see an asset. Okay. So now at this point, there's a couple of things I could do here. Number one, I could take this URL just like this. Okay, I'm going to copy this URL. Now I'm going to go to a browser. Okay, I'm going to come over here. Well, this is my machine that I'm attacking, so we're not going to do it there. I'll come over here. I'll open another browser tab. I'm going to paste this URL in, paste and go. And here I am at a VPN login. Okay, so I'm going to come back over here. I am going to copy this password. Now it's very easy for me to remember the username because that's my username. I'm going to log in as myself. I'm going to paste the password. I'm going to click login. Now, as a hacker, I don't know what just happened, but as an administrator of Flex, I come over here. Remember the timestamp? 148, 22:01. If I look at my clock, I'm at 10:01 right over here. So this just hit in real time. If I come over here, you could see VPN stolen credentials. You can see the machine that was accessed, Flex client 01. You could see the username that was used, so on and so forth. This is the power of Flex. If you have a work from home user and you're worried about items like VPN credential theft, this is definitely a product you should be checking out. And this is how we protect organizations and alert organizations of threats and attacks for their remote workforce. Again, my name is Lewis Smith. I want to thank you for your time. I hope this video was informative. Have a great day.